Alright, with this video I'm going to show you how to build a Bato bucket with any seals. Just PVC pipe, 2 elbows. Things you're going to need, of course, is a bucket. I'm using these 4-gallon food grade that I got from a local bakery. You're going to need 2 1/2-inch elbows. 1 1/2-inch elbow you're going to have to cut a few slits in it. That's going to go in the bucket. The other one is a 5-inch PVC pipe, 1/2 inch. The other one's about 2 inches. A marker, a unibit that is stepped, and I have it marked off here at about 3/4 of an inch. A heat gun, and some type of measuring device. I use a square. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 1/2-inch PVC pipe, set it in a bucket on the bottom. You're going to go ahead and mark the center of it. Now you're going to flip your bucket over, and you can see a little bit of the shadow of the mark. It's right about here, which for future drilling, it's about 1.5 inches tall. I take the bucket, partition here so I know where it's center. Move my angle over. This is where I'm going to drill my hole. Now before you drill your hole, it's important to try on the scrap bucket. I have my unit bit here. It's set to about 3/4 of an inch hole. Just going to go ahead and drill that in. And this hole here is about 3/4 of an inch. This here is between like a 13/16 to the 7/8. We're going to do next, I'm just going to take the heat gun. You're going to see the plastic become a little shiny, a little distorted. Take your pipe, simple as just push it in the hole here. That is a tight seal. No need for a uniseal or anything else. Now that you test it, let's go to our good bucket. Okay, now that we have our good bucket, I'm going to take that 1 5-inch piece, connect it to an elbow, which is easy to hold. Like this. Going to go ahead and drill our hole. Take our hoop gun. Pretty hard. She pops right in. Now ready for the pickup tube inside. The reason why we cut slits in it like this, so when it sits flat against the base, it still could drain water out. So we'll go ahead and place this in here. You don't need any glue or anything like that to stick it on. Alright, I needed 2 hands to give it a good push, but you see it there, it's here. Now you're going to take your 2-inch piece, that's going to go into your drain, just stick it on here like this. Now you have your Dutch bucket, Bato bucket set up. That baby's tight and sealed there. You're going to remember there's really no water pressure, so it doesn't leak. Everything you hear, you can buy at your local Home Depot. No seals, no nothing, no extra $1 or $2 for a seal. And that's here. What I do is I go to my local Sherwin-Williams, even Home Depot, and I get a 5-gallon paint strainer bag. I put in here, fill my perlite or whatever mixture you might want to use, and you got yourself a bucket.